Hello everyone. In this video we are going to start a new chapter, Introduction to Algebra. When we study algebra, we commonly come across two terms. They are number one, constant. Constant is a symbol with fixed values. Okay, constant are the symbols having fixed values like 1, 2, 3 and so on. They are fixed. Next is variables. They are the symbol having various numerical values. For example, temperature, of different places. Or the height of a growing child. They can be of any value and they are constantly changing. So we represent it by X or Y, Z, okay? Any alphabetical symbols. Matchstick pattern. Let's take the pattern of letter E. We will make letter E with the help of matchstick. Okay, so we take this first matchstick. Okay, this is number 1 matchstick. This is number 2. This is number 3. This is number 4 and number 5. To make one letter E, we need 5 matchstick. Okay, so we write 1 into 5. This means that to make one letter E, we require 5 matchstick. Suppose if we add one more E here. Okay. Now we have 10 matchstick. We will count and see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 2 letter E and each letter has 5 matchstick. So into 5. Here we get in 1 E we have 5 matchstick and in 2 E we have 2 E's we have 10 matchstick. Again, now let's add one more E which is made up of matchstick. Now there are 3 E's and each E are having 5 matchstick. Total matchsticks in 3 E's are 15. Now if we make one more E, there are 4 and number of matchstick will be 20. Suppose if we make E continuously, okay, then we represent the number of E's which we have added here by X, and the number of matchsticks required will be 5 into X, which will become 5X. This X represents the number of E's which we have added here, okay, and the 5 means number of matchsticks used in the letter E. Some students are seated in an examination hall such that each row has 3 students. Write the rule which gives the number of students seated in the examination hall. Here it is given that we have to take M as the number of rows. Number of rows is given M, and number of students in the examination hall. Number of rows are M, and in each row there are 3 students. So the total number of students in the examination hall will be 3 into M, which will become 3M. Here we have another question. On her birthday, Aditi distributed X chocolates in her class. After distributing them, she was left with 2 chocolates. How many chocolates did she bring to the class? So, chocolates distributed by Aditi was X, and remaining chocolates were 2. Total chocolates were X she distributed, and chocolates she has with her after distribution was 2. So X plus 2 will be the total number of chocolates she brought to the class. 1 dozen of balls have to be packed in a box. If the total number of balls is n, how many boxes are used? So we all know that 1 dozen balls means 12 balls. In 1 dozen ball we have 12 balls, okay, and the total number of balls we have is n. Now 1 dozen or 12 balls are to be packed in a box, okay, since we have total number of box n, so how many boxes we require, okay, That means boxes required will be n, the total number of balls, and the balls to be packed in a box, that will be n by 12.